boxes I've got left with all my little knickknacks in it, at least. I think this might be what I've been looking for. These are my 2 little ghosties sheets. And you can see that I've got their eyes on there left over from putting them on years ago. They've just got some, they're just made out of felt, and I've drawn an oval around, and then I've gone and cut it out, and the same with a little oval on the inside, and I push that through so that you've got the centre of the eye. So I got this from Spotlight. This is a little skeleton bird in a cage. You can put a little battery operated light in there and it makes a good effect. These are really cute. These came from Kmart. I didn't see them selling them last year. Very simple little things. They didn't cost much. I think they were about $4 each. And they got little lights in them and they look really cute. Here's a cape. My daughter found these. They're puppets. But I don't think anyone's going to be playing puppets on the day. So I put them around the fences and they are about eye level for the real little children. So that's really sweet as well. Yeah, here's another one. Yeah. Not so sweet is this big spider. Now this is the head that I was telling you about earlier. I have tied fishing line all around her neck and around her head and knotted it at the top, and that threads through that gauzy material. I called it a shroud before, but it's not. It's like a ghostly hood. And it goes through the hood and it hangs up in the trees, and she's got a big ribbon around her neck. There's Uncle Fester. He's gone through a few changes. I think eventually I'm going to make his skin a bit more pinky, because that's the colour he is in the comics that are currently being shown. But at the time I was making this, I'd seen an episode of the original and they were talking about him looking a bit blue. The funny mouth is because I stick a light globe in there. Here's another puppet character. This is another thing I bought when I knew we weren't having Halloween. That was back in 2020. Can you believe that we've had COVID that long? Things are a lot better now though. Here's my beautiful Jack Skellington. He hangs up in the doorway of the house. Let me see. I got him from Big W. He's another favourite of mine. I didn't make him obviously, but he is a really good character to have. That's just for covering things and keeping things in good condition. More spare fabric. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed having a look at me rummaging through my Halloween boxes.